Test, test, test. All right. Let's go. Ayiti Organic, Ayiti Organic 1804, Ayiti Organic Experience. And we are still here. I would like to thank the people that have purchased on the site, bought some merchandise. Thank you. And yeah, I'll leave the information, man. You guys go on, log on, and buy a shirt, buy a jacket, buy a sweater. We got all types of cool things, because this is the IT Organic Experience. Since we are still in the season of the scorpion, we're still in the Halloween season, the Gidi season. I talk about Gidi all the time. So I wanted to focus on something different this go around. This is a werewolf in front of you. But in Haiti, or in Haitian Vodou mythology, they would say loup-garou. Loup-garou. So I said, you know what? Let me explain to you guys today what is a loup-garou. Hmm? A loup-garou is a practitioner, usually female, to be honest, involved in the sorcery inside of Haitian Vodou. Don't forget, during the times of slavery, we had a lot of occultists and magicians in the colony of Saint Domingue. Many of these French Kabbalists, they practice a lot of European magic. They practice a lot in front of our ancestors. Of course, our ancestors were taking notes and used that same sorcery against the enemy. So they combined this European magic with the magic or the sorcery that they practiced in West Africa, along with whatever they learned from the Indians, from the indigenous Taino that was already here in Ayiti. So any person who has the lougarou spiritual point, in Voodoo they call it pwen, they can transform into any animal, and usually they drain the blood, right, of the victim, but it's not like a physical thing, right? So if you have a child and the loup-garou is sucking the child dry, you will just see slowly the child is getting sick, losing weight, etc., etc. I know from experience. I've had children sick through this loup-garou situation, and then you have to get medicine, get the kid back, right, and then don't. Not every person who has this point of loup-garou uses it as a way to, um, you know, harm children or harm people. Some of them, they use it as a safety, security mechanism, and I think that makes sense, right? I think that makes sense. Many members of the secret societies in Haiti, like Bizango, Champrel, Blengedeng, Zobop, etc., etc., they have this spiritual point, so they call it, to transform into an animal, dog or whatever. You usually see them walking in the streets in the night of Haiti, in Port-au-Prince. Me personally, I think I've had a couple run-ins with loup-garou and seeing these things in Haiti when I was younger, and I mean, hell, it's all over. You have people that travel from Haiti to the states who has the point, and they can transform, and yeah, maybe I'll explain another time with my personal experience. But again, you guys have a wonderful Hallows Eve, Halloween. Uh, Log on to the YouTube and subscribe to the channel. Like, share, comment so I can be involved in the algorithms. Kwa, kwa, kwa. Kwa symbol for all the children of the cemetery, all the children of Baron, Glen Brigitte. And I'm going to probably post more on YouTube because I want to talk and ramble. And why not do it on YouTube? So you guys continue to support Ayiti Organic, Ayiti Organic, Ayiti Organic. Log on, go to the sites that I provided, and continue to support. Kwa, kwa.